Good morning. It's the next day. It's pretty early. It's 8:25 and I'm going to Target because last night, this is how it all started. So I placed an order last night at like 11 o'clock for pickup because I have not been in the mood to like go to Target. And when I need like a lot of things, I feel like it's just easier to pick up than going around the store. But I need an eyebrow pencil because I'm going to brunch today and I don't have my eyebrow pencil. I'm all out, like literally all out. Could not get any more out of it yesterday. So I started placing that order literally for one eyebrow pencil. And then of course they had when you spend $20 in beauty, you get a $5 gift card. So I was like, what else do I need? Added stuff. And then I needed some home stuff. And when I started adding that, it was spend $50 on home, you get a $15 gift card. So I was like, okay, I definitely like, let me just stock up on stuff that I know I'm gonna use. So to reach the 50, I ended up getting like a 2-pack of the dish soap that I use. And this morning I wake up and realize that I purchased everything at one store besides the dish soap. So I need to go to another store that's like another 15 minutes away just for the soap. So I'm so annoyed because I don't want to do that, but I want the $15 gift card. But if I cancel the soap and don't get that, then I won't get the gift card. So I'm going to Target right now to get everything and hopefully the soap is ready. I didn't get a notification saying it was done, but I'm like, this is why you don't order stuff at 11 at night, because I did not realize that the pack of 1 of the soap was available at the store, but I picked the pack of 2 because I needed to spend more and didn't realize that was at the other store. But it's fine. It's fine. So I'm gonna go do that. It is so gross out. It's so muggy. It says it's only 87 out, but wow, the humidity, awful. So that's how we're starting our day. Then I need to come home and like clean because my place is a wreck. I showed you guys my bedroom yesterday, it's a mess. And then we're going to brunch. That's at 11:30, so we have some time. But that's the plan. That's Sunday before the scaries. All right, I just got back from Target and luckily I did not have to go to the other Target. Shout out to the lady at the one Target I went to, Barb. She was great. So what she did was just pretty much return my order and I could rebuy it there and added something to the order so that I could get the gift card. But then I felt bad for doing that. When she gave me the gift card, like normally the receipt will show that the gift card was added and it wasn't. So when I got to my car, I like called the number to see like what the balance was just to make sure that it was like actually activated, and it just like kept telling me that I was doing something wrong and I entered the number 3 times. So I don't know if maybe it's like not in the system so quickly, but hopefully it's on there because it's $15 for purchasing like all the home stuff and I really want that. So I'm not even in the frame. So hopefully it's in there. I'll do a quick little haul of what I got. It's not very exciting, but this was the problem. This dish soap is what I ordered at the other store. So I got 2 of those. And then I love the Mrs. Meyers spray, so I got the honeysuckle scent. I really like the peony one and the rose one, but they didn't have any of those, so I'm trying that one for the first time. And then I needed laundry detergent. I get the Gain Botanicals. It's like a plant-based one. It's white tea and lavender. I haven't used that in quite a while because when COVID started, my mom got like me a really big one of Tide, and so I've been using that, and I feel like laundry detergent lasts forever. So I'm like finally running low on that one and I was like, okay, I need to get another one. So I like that. And unfortunately at my place, I share laundry with all the other tenants. So you like go in the courtyard and you have to use quarters. It's a whole thing. But I feel like my laundry lately has not been smelling good. So I got that because that's white tea and lavender. And then I got these scent boosters. I used to use these all the time in college and I haven't used them in quite a while because I have to do my laundry out there. It's annoying to bring like multiple things out there, like the detergent, my basket, my quarters, and now this. But like I said, my laundry is just like not smelling good. So I added those. And then I also got dryer sheets just again because I want my stuff to smell good. So maybe that will help. I got a Mrs. Meyers soap. This one's in the peony scent, which I have in my kitchen right now, and that one's running low. Got some more sponges, pretty much to reach this $50. I just got things that I knew like I'll eventually use, like the sponges and the soap and stuff. I wasn't low on like everything. I needed a new loofah. This is the whole reason I started the order, the NYX eyebrow pencil in taupe. I ordered 2, but they only had 1, which is fine, but I just wanted to get 2 to stock up. But I got some floss because I ran out. I posted these on my beauty blog and my Like to Know It, so they're supposed to be a dupe for the Kat Von D Dazzle Sticks. These are by e.l.f., the Electric Mood Shadow Crayon Duo, and this was like $12, and the Kat Von D one's like 20 something, and you get 2 with the e.l.f. So very excited to try this. Definitely did not need that, but it was like 11 o'clock last night, and I was like, yeah. Got some peroxide because I was running low on that, and I used that to like sterilize my like tweezers and random stuff. Got some car scent things because lately just like nothing smells good. I need some car stuff. Make that smell good. Got some elderberry pills. I like taking those. They say cold and flu on them. I take them when my allergies are bad. Also got deodorant. I normally use the Arm & Hammer one, and it's like aluminum free, and I've used that for years, but lately I just like smell. I'm not normally like that, so I don't know if they changed the formula on it or something, but a blogger I follow talked about this, and she said it's like amazing. It's the Secret Outlast Sweat and Odor, but I have not used a deodorant like this in forever, and the one I use from Arm & Hammer is like a gel one, and this is not. So I don't know, I just don't love the way deodorants like this smell, but we'll see. Honestly, anything to help, because lately I'm just like, what the heck? Maybe it's just my nose, because like clearly I'm saying everything smells. Me, my car, my clothes, I don't know. And then the last thing I got were a pair of shoes. So if you know me, I love A New Day. I always get a 7.5, they were in true to size. Just got these black little sandals. I live in Florida, so I obviously can wear sandals pretty much the whole year. And since fall time's coming up, I wanted to get some sandals before they bring in all the boots, because it's funny, even though it's Florida, you think they would keep sandals here like all year round, and they keep some, but they won't keep like the cute ones like this. We'll still get like boots in, and all the Floridians like love it and think it's fall, and I'm like, no, I'm still wearing sandals. This is not fall to me. So I kind of have a pair that's like this from like years ago, and they're falling apart, so I figured I could throw those out. Like they kind of have like a design on them, and it's the fabric is tearing, so figured I could throw those out and wear these instead. Just great like staple and classic shoe, and I can wear them to work is why I mainly got them. Okay, I think that's everything I got. I'm gonna clean my place up because it's a disaster, and I would like to do laundry, but by the time I start it and stuff, I don't know if I want to really deal with that. 9, 10. Yeah, no, the dryer takes like an hour, so I'll do laundry when I come back from brunch. But I'm gonna clean up and then get ready. Oh, and I also I have my stand on, my Curology package. Yesterday I ran out of my night cream that I used from Curology, and after I did my skincare I just used other products instead, but that is the one product I have not like stopped using since I got Curology. So I think last night was like one of the first nights, and I realized it was sitting in my mailbox, so I could have used it, but at that point I already like layered my skincare on, so I didn't. But when you get the package, comes inside in this little bag. It says your skin goals achieved, and I think I changed what I got this month. The first time I got the cleanser, the moisturizer, the night cream, which is like a custom cream to your skin and what problems you tell them, and then I got, oh, it still came with it, spot patches. I thought I got rid of the spot patches this time. Okay, for the next time I need to edit the order because I really only want the moisturizer and the night cream. So pretty much I got all that stuff again, the spot patches, but I haven't used those. I love my Mighty patches. I think I used one of the Curology patches before and I didn't think it really worked. This is the cleanser. It's 2.7 ounces. I really do like the moisturizer. It looks small, but it does last you. This is 1.7 ounces. And it's like a gel moisturizer. And then this is the custom formula I get. So I don't know how big this is. It doesn't say on here. Okay, so I don't even know what all these things are, but this is what's in my custom formula. The only one I know is niacinamide, and I still use niacinamide in the morning as well. So that's everything that's in mine. So pretty much when you do Curology, you go online, you send them pictures of what your skin looks like. This is probably what has helped my skin the most, and I will keep repurchasing this. I use niacinamide morning and night. I use this at night, and then I use my ordinary drops of it in the morning. And yeah, you only use this at night, and it really does last you quite a while. Like, I just ran out of it yesterday, and then the new package was here today. So I love it. I think it's $64, but it's well worth it to me, because if you've seen my pictures, like, my skin was bad, and it's not only emotionally draining to deal with it all, but it's just like, it hurts sometimes too. Like, it's physically painful, some of those breakouts you get, and it's just like, it's a lot. It really ruins your self-confidence, all this stuff. And like, my skin now, this is just with skincare on. I don't have any makeup on. And like, yeah, I have some redness from some acne scarring, but this is like nothing compared to what it used to be. I used to have like red dots everywhere, and they would be flat, but still I would have to wear makeup because they were all flat. But now, like, I feel okay not wearing makeup because this really isn't that bad. So my skin has helped a lot. So, all right, like I said, I'm gonna go clean, and then I'll show you my outfit when I'm ready for brunch. I just got ready for brunch. Emily is coming to pick me up soon. It's 11 o'clock, so I'll show you guys my outfit. Also wanted to mention my lip combo. I have been obsessed. So if you follow my beauty blog, you know I love this NYX liner in nude suede shoes. Normally I'll wear that with just like any gloss on it. Then I just got this gloss. It's by Morphe, and it's with Madison Beer. She did a collab with them, and it's in the shade Saturn, and it is so good. I just love it. So that combo is my new obsession. I just love a nude lip like this. It's like nude, but not too nude, but not pinky. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay, so here's my outfit. My room's looking more clean now. So this top is old, but it's from Windsor, and I just think it's such a fun top. I feel like it's perfect for brunch. And then I just paired it with the Target jeans that I wore yesterday, and also Target belt and Target shoes. I love these shoes. They're really cute, and I like to wear like a little bit of a heel when I want to like dress up my outfit a little bit. And then this purse is just from Italy. It's from like the leather market there. And then my sunglasses are Key. So that's the outfit. We made it to brunch, and we've been here for like an hour, and I forgot to vlog. This is Emily. She's new to the vlog.
Hey guys.
She's not experienced like Ashley and Megan yet. We'll get her there. But we had some bellinis, and yeah, we literally been here for an hour, and I forgot to vlog everything. I had breakfast tacos. Emily had bagel and lox. Yeah, they did give a lot, but it's really cute. And over there they have like a little atrium where we wanted to sit, but probably can't even hear me. Still very yummy.
What are we doing after this?
I think we're going shopping.
Shopping. Grab a coffee for me.
Yeah.
Dillards.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try Zara. It's Sunday. Probably.
I should have wore different shoes if we're going to the mall.
It's stop back there.
Yeah, I'm not gonna be moving quick.
Day in our life. We'll bring you on the journey.
Oh, she's already comfy now.
Leave myself at home.
From the mall, me and Emily went to brunch, and I've been gone. It's like 4 o'clock. We went to brunch at 11:30, so we've been gone for quite a while. And so we went to the mall because I wanted to go to Dillards. If you guys know me, I love Dillards, and I found this really cute matching set there last month, I think, and it was pretty expensive. Their stuff is kind of expensive if it's not on sale, and I saw online that it was on clearance, so I was like, I need to go and see if they have it. If not, I was gonna buy it online. And sorry, I feel like this is crooked. And so they did have it, and then it's also tax-free weekend. So on, I think Emily said if it's on clothes and the individual item is under 60, then it's tax-free in Florida. So that was awesome. So first, I'll show you the Dillards set I got. It's from the line GB, which is like pretty much the only thing I buy from there. It's so cute. So it was originally $44, these shorts were originally $44, and I got them for $26. Let me just tie the little belts. So they're just like high-waisted, pink and white stripe, has a little tie. Oh no, I just realized the back, shoot. The back has this little like black spot on it. Oh, Okay, maybe I'll order it online. It has this on it. Shoot. I remember seeing those when I went there the first time too. I'm just really picky about stuff like that. I think you can still return it. Yeah, you just need to show proof of purchase. So maybe I'll order them online. I got them in a medium though. They're super cute. And then I got the matching little bralette thing. I don't even know what you'd call this, crop top. It's really cropped. This I got in a large. It's originally 29 and I got it for 17. Just so adorable. It looks so cute together. I don't have any matching sets like this. They also had a blazer, but I'm like, I don't need all of that. Mostly in Florida, like it's hot. I don't want to wear the blazer. So I'm really happy I got that, but I'm so bummed I didn't even look at those shorts to see the little black line on them. So I'm gonna check online and see if I can order them on there maybe, and I can exchange them. Then Emily was like, let's pop into Forever 21. I don't know, like we haven't been in there in so long. She's like, let's see what they have. Well, if you know me, I'm a Britney fan, and I've been wanting a Britney shirt for so long, and I couldn't really find any that I liked. They were all kind of boring. So this one was like right in the front, and I'm obsessed. How cute. I wish it was a little bigger. This is a medium large. It was $20, but I wish it was even bigger. I just like t-shirts like this, like super huge. But how cute. They also had another one, and it was like gray, and it was a comfier fit. I like the look of this one, but the other one was comfier. It was like gray, had her face on it, and said $19.99 on the front, and on the back it had all the tours listed. That one was also $20. I kind of wanted to get both, but I was like, let's not be crazy. And then last thing I got was also from Forever 21, this corduroy cropped jacket. It's in this like tan cream color. It has like a little distressing at the bottom. Super cute. I have a long one like this in a blush pink that I wear all the time for work from Zara. And so I live in Florida, so it's super hot out, but inside my office it's freezing. So I always wear that jacket, and I was like, I need to get something else. So I really like the cream color since this will like go with everything. I got this in a medium. The arms are a little long, but I don't mind just rolling them up. And then this was $24.99. So super cute, happy with everything I got. And like I said, I'm just so tired. So I'm gonna put some comfy clothes on and do some laundry, and I think I'm just gonna like hang out, maybe watch some YouTube or something. But yeah, the Sunday scaries are hitting in. This weekend went by so quick. So anyways, I'm gonna do that, and that was my haul. Not too many things, but I'm so bummed about the shorts. Am I the only one like that? Like that stuff bothers me so much. It looks like pen or something. I mean, it's not a huge deal, but that bothers me. And I don't want to wash them if they're not going to come out. So I'm going to also see if I can find these online and order them today since it's the tax-free weekend. But okay, that's everything I got.